Myself Raj, welcome to Raj Online Trainings. In the series of Java Complete Placement Codes, in the last video we have seen how to download and install Eclipse IDE and how to develop a Java application in Eclipse IDE. In this video, we are going to see the Eclipse IDE shortcuts. What are the shortcuts related to Eclipse IDE that we are going to explore in this video? Now, I have listed out the shortcuts. Let me go one by one. So in order to get this public static void main, what is the need of main method? It is the entry point to run a Java program. Now we want to have this main method. So to get main method, what is the shortcut C? We have to just type main, and on your keyboard we have to press Control space Enter key. What is the shortcut here? Type main and press Control space Enter key. Let me show this. Let me take this hello.java. In this hello.java, we are not having main method. How to get main method? No, just we have to type main, and on your keyboard we should press Control space Enter key. Control space Enter key. That is a shortcut what we use to get main method. Now, the next one, to go with the system.out.println. What is the use of system.out.println? To display the messages or the value of variables. To get this system.out.println, the shortcut is we should just type sysout, and on your keyboard we have to press Control space Enter key. See here, to go with system.out.println, just type sysout, on your keyboard Control space Enter key. So Control space is mainly for what? To show the suggestions. System, just say sysout. See here, when you even say Control space, we get the suggestions here. See system.out.println. To run, the keyboard shortcut is Control F11, and if I want to comment a single line, that is // we use the shortcut Control /. For example, here we want to write to display hello message onto the screen. Now we want to go with single line comment, just to say Control /, which will make the line as single line comment //. If you want to go with multi-line comment, so you have to go with multi-line comments /* and with //. What is the shortcut say? Select the lines and we should press Control Shift / to go with multi-line comment. Like example, here let me take multiple lines, that is to display hello message onto the screen. We want to comment these two lines. Select the lines and press on your keyboard Control Shift / which goes with multi-line comment. Next one, to increase the font size of your source code, Control equal to, and to decrease the font size, we use Control - symbol. See here, Control equal to, which you can find below plus symbol. See here, this is going to increase the font size of our source code. Control - decrease the font size. Next one, to format the source code. The meaning of format is like a proper indentation. See here we have taken class hello, and this gap indicates this main method belongs to hello class, and this gap indicates this system.out.println statement belongs to main method. So this only we call proper indentation. Let us suppose if you have copied the code from some other source, and when you paste the code, it is coming in this format. Now we want to format the source code, then we have to use the shortcut Control Shift F. When we use Control Shift F, it's going to format our source code with a proper indentation. So when you are writing the programs, we should go with the proper indentation. It is one of the good programming practices. The next one, to import the packages. For example, in our program, if I am using a predefined class like scanner, s equal to new scanner. We'll even discuss what is the use of scanner class. It's mainly to read input from user from keyboard. So when I'm using scanner class, it is giving error because scanner is a predefined class present in a package java.util package. So to import the packages, we have to say Control Shift O. It's going to take care of importing the respective packages. So more about what is class, what are objects, what is this import, what is package, everything we discuss in the next videos. Next one, to close the current file. So here in this example, hello.java is open. I want to close this file. Just press Ctrl W. It's going to close the file. So here, for example, here again I am pressing Ctrl W, which is going to close this welcome.java file. Now, let me open this hello.java and welcome.java. I want to close both the files, all the files which are open. So to close all the open files, the shortcut is Ctrl Shift W. What we have to press Ctrl Shift W. It's going to close all the open source code files. Then one more shortcut thing, to maximize or unmaximize the active view, the shortcut is Ctrl M. See here. So I want to maximize this view. So we'll say Ctrl M. It's going to maximize to the full screen. If I press again same Ctrl M, it's going to unmaximize. See here, Ctrl M, Ctrl M. Maximize, unmaximize. Right? So these are the some of the shortcuts, and as the days goes on, in the next videos we'll be seeing some more shortcuts related to the respective topics. Please practice all these shortcuts so that you will be good when you are developing the applications. Faster way of developing applications will be more when you practice all these shortcuts. Right? So that's about in this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.